Smart Sensor AR907B is a very powerful universal insulation meter that combines the functions of a multimeter and a megometer. Turn it on and hit the diode on-off gear first. This gear can detect line on-off, resistance, capacitor, diode. Press the select key to select the function. In on-off mode, the watch pen can be shorted to detect whether the instrument and watch pen are abnormal. Buzzer sound and channel state. It is often used to detect whether there is a breakpoint in the line. The buzzer does not sound, indicating that the line is open. Diode gear can detect diode quality and voltage drop. When the positive electrode of the diode is connected to a red pin and the negative electrode is connected to a black pin. Screen display voltage drop. This is the forward conduction. Swap pen. Screen display OL. This is the reverse cutoff. Capacitance gear. Range 60 nanofarads to 60 mF. Automatic identification. Resistance gear. Before measuring the resistance, you can short the pin. Check whether the pin resistance will affect the results or when using a longer test line. You can press the REL key to clear the wire and environmental interference. At this time, the error of measuring the electrical tissue is the smallest. NCV gear detects ambient electric field. The instrument is close to the electric field, and the beep will change according to the strength of the electric field. Press the select button to enter the 0 live measurement. Insert the red watch pin into the socket 0 or live wire. If the firewire buzzer sounds. If it is a 0 line, the buzzer is silent. AC voltage test maximum range 750 V. Simultaneous automatic detection of AC signal frequency. DC voltage test supports up to 1000 V range. Core function insulation resistance test. Fixed voltage, third gear optional. 250 V, 500 V, 1000 V. Insulation resistance range 0.1 m to 2000 m. 50 to 1000 volt incrementing voltage gears are also available.